there, we meet again. And this time, we are meeting in the village of Navshe, near Bambolim. Behind me, you can see Siridao. You can see the low tide right now in this bay of Navshe. And we have come here for a very, very beautiful episode, which normally happens throughout the night. But this time, we are going to bring to you snippets of a competition that is being held here for the 7th time. And this is the All Goa Jagor competition. And this particular, not a competition as such, it's a presentation. And there are going to be 8 different groups from Goa who will come here and present Jagor. Now, do you know what is the meaning of Jagor? Well, Jagor means to remain awake the whole night through. Normally it starts by about 8 o'clock, it goes right through till sunrise. And then they go home. But that may not happen today. But the fact remains that the way they dance colorfully and a very unique aspect of their community over here, we will see the Jagor of Navshe and all the participating teams that come here from all over Goa. This will start a little bit later. The reason why I have brought you here is to show you the scenic bay of Siridao, one of the scenic bay of Siridao, and the chapel of Jesus of Nazarene, which is located right there. Every time you have seen the sea, but have you seen the river when it is at low tide? Well, ladies and gentlemen, for a short time now, let us see how beautiful the sea looks like, how artistic it looks like when the sea or the river is at a low tide. This is a fishing community. You can see the gentleman working on his nets and the boats. And My Goem this time brings you the Jagor of Goa. Let's not waste time. Let's see the place and let's go and see the Jagor. You have seen that we have come here to the fishing hamlet of Navshe. This is a canoe, and here we found Vinod. Let's talk a little bit to Vinod, find out what he's going to catch. Bab, kasa ha do? Tu Navsheच राहता. Okay. आता ही बोट घेऊन तू भायर वतलो पळय. तुका कितें नुस्तें मेळटा हांगा?
आमकां मेवता सुंगटां, ताल्ले, बांगडे, इवन पॉम्पलेट. हां, जायते मेवता, इवन क्रॅब मेवता, कुल्ल्यो.
He has to get the boat ready now to go out in the morning at 5 o'clock so that he can catch the fish for you. And they have to wait till it becomes high tide. They don't go out on the low tide. So I think we should wish him the best of fish. Thank you, Vinod Babu. Navshe village, like you saw, has got a beautiful shoreline where there are a lot of fishing hamlets. But when you want to enter into this small hamlet, like what I call the fishing hamlet, you know, the narrow pathways give it a beautiful charm. You know, you just walk between a wall-to-wall lane that are there. And finally, you come to this house. Now, for the traditional Jagor of Navshe, which very uniquely happens on 2 Saturdays. On the first Saturday, it happens from here, and the second Saturday it starts from another ward. But this is the house of the Jalmi. And we had spoken to one of the Jalmi, that is Mr. Krishna. The starting of the Jagor festival is the taking of the lamp to keep over there to start the Jagor happens from this place. And the next day, they all come back and they end it up over here. This is a very, very typical house, and there is something very, very unique which I want you to see. Now, that door over there and the wall that you see behind, I will take you there and you see what I always keep on telling you again and again, the practical bond of communal harmony in Goa. And you cannot see it better than in this house, which portrays the spirit of the entire village as well as the entire state of Goa. Let's not waste time, come on. So ladies and gentlemen, for the Jagor, the most important part is the stage, which is called as the Mand, and every village has got that. And it is a pride that we are here with Mr. Mahesh Gowde, who is also known as Hemu. And he is a well-known personality because he is the president of the All Goa Jagor Association, which they have recently registered. So, Mahesh Bab, how are you?
Fine.
हो तुम्ही जागर जो आसा न्ही तो कितली वर्सां करतात?
जो जागोर आसा तो आमचो फाटल्या 6 वर्सांच्यान जाता आनी हो आयज 7वो जागोर जाता. तो आमचो गोवा जागोर एसोसिएशना अंडर जाता आनी पयलो जागोर हो जागोर एसोसिएशना अंडर जाता.
ओके. आनी म्हाका एक सांगा की गोंयांत जागर म्हणटा तो सगळे कडेन जाता आनी तो रातचो सुरू जाता आनी सकाळचो फांतोडेचेर सोंपता. हो जागर म्हणटा तो कित्याक करतात एक्चुअली?
जागोर म्हणल्यार एक्चुअली अशें आसलें की पयलो एंटरटेनमेंट हो कार्यक्रम नाशिल्लो, लोकां कडेन टीव्ही जावं हें नाशिल्लें. तेजे पयलूच्यान हो जागोर करता आनी जागोर करपा फाटलो हेतू की आमच्या गांवांत एक वरिश्ट कितें येवचें न्ही, अरिश्ट कितें येवचें न्ही, तितूंत भितर आमच्या गांवांत जे देव आसा, मागीर आमचे देवचार आसा, तेणी आमची साथ करची, आमकां तेणी राखचें म्हणून रातभर हें घराणें घालतात. देवाचें आमी सांखडें घालता आनी देवान आमकां तो राखचो म्हणून आमी प्रत्येक आमच्या गांवांत जे शिमेचे देवचार म्हणून आसा तांकां आमी आठवण करता तेंची आनी ताका लागून हो रातभर आमी जागराचो कार्यक्रम करता. जागोर हो सांजचो पयलो एक फाटल्या 40-50 वर्सां पयलीं 7 सुरू जावन परत सकाळीं 7 सोंपतालो असो आयलो. आतां परिवर्तन जालां, एक 10-10:30 म्हणल्यार सुरू जाता आनी एक फांतोडेचे 6:30 म्हणल्यार तरी सोंपता. 6:30 म्हणटा
हे लोक ऑफिसाक वता नाल्यार ऑफिसाक सोयता ताका लागून?
हय.
ओके. आतां जागर म्हणटा पळय न्ही तो गोंयांत कितली वर्सां पासून आशिल्लो पयलीं?
जागोर हो पुर्तुगीज टायमा वयल्यान सुद्दां गोंयांत सुरू आसा आनी अशें आमचे कडेन तेजी म्हणजे पोस पावती अशें हांव सांगूंक शकता की फाटल्या 4.5 वर्सां पयलीं समज पुर्तुगीज येयले आनी तेन्ना एक आमी पाळें शिरदोन हांगासर एक पूल बांदपाक जायलो. तो पूल बांदपा खातीर गांवच्यांनी एक तेंचे कडेन डिमांड दवरलो पुर्तुगीजा कडेन की आमी तुमकां हो पूल बांदून दिलो जाल्यार तुमी आमकां कितें ते हें करतले. तर तेणी विचारलें कितें जाय तुमकां. तर आमकां एक रात जागोर करपा खातीर ह्या जागराचें परमिशन जाय पुर्तुगीज सरकारा कडल्यान. आनी तेजी पावती म्हणून तांकां थामणपत्राचेर एक पत्र बरोवन दिलें की तुमकां हो जागोर करपा खातीर परमिशन आसा. एग्जॅक्ट अशें नमूद करूं अजून पावना, कारण जे PhD केल्ले आसा जावं आमी आतां संशोधनाचे दृश्टिकोनाच्यान वाट करता सुरू, पूण अजून आमी सक्सेस जावना. पूण आमी आमचे म्हायती प्रमाणे इतकें आमी सांगूंक शकता.
Their objective is to get Zagor to be studied on a thesis format, to do doctorate on this particular subject of folk art, which has been here since many centuries. We cannot put a finger and say it started at this time. The point here is that this is Goa's ethnic and original art, and it is thanks to our people, our Goans or Nis Goenkar like Hemubab here, who has come up in public life to see that all the villages are bonded and we all preserve Zagor. Next time you are in Goa, please come to this village of Navshe, which celebrates 2 Zagors on 2 different Saturdays. So let us bid bye to Hemubab. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am all set for Zagor, and can you believe it? I am also wearing something that they are wearing. But if you think that Zagor is just something casual about it, no, there is a lot of things that happen behind the stage. And the most important part of the Zagor is the dressing up. Today, the young generation has forgotten how to wear the dhoti, so they have to be helped. Here, we have Sheshikant Borkar, who has been doing a fabulous job of dressing up the people when they come up here and they want to participate. Let us find out from Sheshikant Bab how and what he does. Sheshikant Bab, कशें आसा?
बरें आसा.
ओके. म्हाका एक सांग, हें पळय तूं करता न्ही,
आं.
हें तूं कितें करता एक्चुअली, कित्याक करता?
हे जागराची सोंगां
हां
तांकां न्हेसयता.
हां
जे आत्तां जे हांवें पयलीं न्हेसयल्ले तो आमचो हेजो धनगराचो ड्रेस.
हां
तो फक्त तो वाजोवपा खातीर तसो न्हेसयला.
ओके. आनी
आनी
हें आतां जे तांबडे म्हाका न्हेसयला तूं तुवें?
आतां तो हो ड्रेस आसा
हां.
वा निकंडार म्हण
हय.
जावं म्हणजे राजा टायप ते टायप हो ड्रेस.
हां. आनी हें तूं आतां कितलीं वर्सां पासून करता?
हें हांव करता एक 5 वर्सां पासून करता.
5
आनी
वर्सां.
हांव हें सगळें शिकलां महेशा कडल्यान.
ओके.
महेश उर्फ हेमू उर्फ महेश गावडे
व्हेरी गुड.
हाजे कडल्यान शिकला.
ओके
आनी ताणें आमकां सांगले त्या प्रमाणे आमी इल्लें ट्राय करता, चालू आसा आमचें.
ओके. हें शिकता तुमी?
शिकता.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all about learning to keep our heritage alive. Like the sages used to go on a tour, I am going to take this Kamandalu and go forward for another thing. Let us see what they are doing inside. We are inside the dressing room. So let's say bye to him and go further. I am inside the dressing room for a reason, and the reason is you find the ladies are dressing up the gents as females. One aspect of Zagor is that every participant in this is a male. They are dressed like females, they act like females, but here they dress up to everything that a lady wears. And here we have got this lady whose name is
दत्ताराम खांडेपरकर.
Dattaram Khandeparkar, and he is being dressed up by
दीक्षा खांडेपरकर.
so they are helped. And now you see the remaining people who are getting dressed up like ladies for their roles, and here they are. aspect of the drama, the theater, is being taken care of. And you cannot have a drama without painting the characters. And here we have got people getting painted. So let us find out from them how and what happens when they use the brush and the powder on their faces. Here, ladies and gentlemen, you see Mr. Ramakrishna Karmalkar, who is now getting one of the actors ready. The first coat is being done, and he has been doing this for so many people since the evening. And Mr. Karmalkar on one thing, and we have got Mr. Surendra Volvekar on the other. And you can see him touching up another artist. So, ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about the Jagor, it is not just about dancing, it's a ritual. And in the community of the Gauda Samaj, there is a priest called as the Jalmi. And we are going to talk to a Jalmi from Navshe village, from where the Jagor actually starts. So let us find out from him. His name is Krishna Kankonkar, and he is going to tell us the start and what this Jagor is about. Krishna Bab, कसा आसा तूं?
असं बरं सर.
ओके कृष्णा बाब आता हो जागोर सुरू जाता न्ही आनी तुमची फॅमिली जल्मी फॅमिली
हय सर, आमी जल्मी म्हणजे जागोर असो कितें जाता की आमी जल्म्यांगेरसून दिवलीगेर जाता. आमचो जागोर करता जाग्यार आमचो चौक आसा. त्या चौकार आमी दिवली दवरता आनी थंयच्यान आमी देवाचें म्हणपाचें सुरू करता. देवाचें म्हणून जालें म्हणटकच आमी देवाची जी मेन सॉंग आसा ती आमी जल्मेले नाचता. जल्मेले देवाचें सोंपलें की मागीर जागराची सॉंगां कॉमेस जाता. ती आमी सगळे वांटून घेवन जागर करता. आनी जागर ही सॉंगां आमची जागराची सोंपले म्हणटकच परती आमी देवाचें म्हणून दिवली घेवन परती जल्म्याच्या घरा व्हरता. दवरून आमी सगळे देवाक पांय पडून हो जागर आमचो जागराचे कार्यक्रम आमचो सोंपयता.
सोबत पूण हें आतां सुरू केन्ना जाता हो
आमचो असो घरा कडल्यान आमी एक 9 सुमार भायर सरता
आनी मागीर परती दिवली केन्ना व्हरता ही
सकाळी आमचो रातभर जागर जाता आनी सोंपलो मागीर देवाचें सोंपलें म्हणटकच आमी जवळ जवळ आमकां सकाळची 7-8 वरां जाता.
8 वरां
माटवान आमच्या चौकाचेर. थंयच्यान मागीर घरा नाचत आमी देवाचें म्हणून नाचत घरा वयता आनी दिवली दवरता म्हटल्यार जवळ जवळ आमकां 8-9 जाता.
9 जाता मागीर.
हय.
ओके आनी हे हांगा आतां नावशे कितलीं वर्सां जालीं तुमी करता हें?
तर म्हाका जवळ जवळ आतां 50 वर्सां जायत येयलीं.
तुका?
हय. म्हणजे आतां म्हाज्या पयलीं बापूय आसलो, बापायच्या पयलीं आजो आसलो. आतां तेज्या आज्याच्या पयलीं कोणें कॉमेस केल्लो जे ती आमकां खबर ना. फक्त म्हाज्या आज्याक वळखता.
आज्या कडसून तुमकां आयला आतां.
हय हय.
म्हणजे
हय.
एक 100-150 वर्सां 100
हय जावंक शकता आतां त्या आज्याच्या पयलीं कोण आसलो ती म्हाका खबर ना हांव फक्त म्हाज्या आज्याक वळखता
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I asked him about the origin of Zagor in Navshe village, and he very conveniently said that he remembers his father doing it and his grandfather doing it, but whether his great grandfather was doing that and from when they started, he doesn't know. So here we know that it has got a long history. So let us say thanks to Krishna Bab. Krishna Bab, Dev Bare Guru.
थँक्यू सर